Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This video is a very quick one showing some crochet braids done with the Janet's collection Perm Peruvian crochet air. The Perm Peruvian ocean wave in 18 inches. This air is kind of similar to the very popular Kima ocean wave air. I did put it side by side with the Fritters Niagara braid air, which is pretty much the same air as the Kima braid ocean wave air. We used about 3 bags and half in the color number 2 for the style. The air was not cut in half but was trimmed to a desired length when we were done, and she did have some leave out in the front. I actually do like this air. It looks the same, almost looks the same as the Kima ocean wave air, but it just feels a little more silky and less textured than the Kima ocean wave. That's pretty much it, and do enjoy the video as we get started.